Okay, I just wanted to go over this information about, you just saw the video on the ghost stance and then, and Wounded Knee, and then we moved into this talking about the boarding schools. So, both of those are illustrations of how the United States perpetrated a form of cultural genocide on the Native Americans. So, you may have heard the term genocide before. Usually it is used in reference to the Holocaust or to Armenians that were killed by Turks in during World War One. Also, maybe you've heard about it in reference to Africa, like in Rwanda. So, genocide, normally when we're talking about that, we're talking about the systematic, organized killing of one group of people, either because of their ethnicity, their race, their tribe, their belief system. In this case, we are not talking about the organized killing, like murdering of people. While that did definitely happen with the Native Americans, what we're talking about here is a cultural genocide. The United States did put into place um, systems and plans to try to civilize Native Americans or to make them more like white Americans. They felt like this would be the solution to the problems with Native Americans. They couldn't just get rid of them. They'd moved them to reservations already, but then now the Native Americans were dependent on the government because they had moved them off their lands and they couldn't do their traditional form of being able to support themselves because they couldn't hunt buffalo. They couldn't grow the crops that they were used to. They couldn't um, get the food the way that they were used to or have the industry and the jobs that they were used to. So they were very much dependent on the government. So the new solution for trying to get them not dependent on the government was just to make them like Americans. So the ghost dance and the massacre at Wounded Knee is an example of how Native Americans practicing their own culture frightened whites and frightened the government. And the reaction, as you saw there, was a horrible massacre. The boarding schools was another reaction. It was the way of the government to try to make these children become like whites. So when they were forced into the boarding school, the Native American children, they were punished for not being for speaking their own language, for dressing in their traditional clothing. They were forced to speak English. They were forced to dress as white people. They were taught the ways of white people. You can see in this picture here that this is how they originally came into the boarding school, and then this is how they were forced to look. Again, trying to force them into what we felt like civilized life was, what the white people look like. And that's why we say it is a form of cultural genocide, because we were trying to take their language, their culture, their religion, everything about their culture away from them and try to force them into what the United States government felt like the white culture would be. That if they could assimilate into white culture, then there would no longer be a problem anymore.